Hi sir, this is Sridhar IoT. Um, so far what I have learned is I've learned how to program. So like I have learned how to use for loop, while loop, if statements, and else statement. I have used the conditions. I have also like learned how to code programs using those statements, and I can give commands to the uh, to the Python shell, and I can use the input function. I can use the lambda function. I can make lists. I can make dictionaries. And I can like read CDs, write CDs, and that's what I have learned so far in this month. So thank you for all the things that you have taught me and everyone.